Mama. Let's start opening. Let's use a scissor because I don't know what's inside. Okay, and open it. And wow, there's a chocolate. I don't know why it's so hard to open it. Maybe I start coloring. I need to be careful because I'm gonna cut my hand. Oh no. Too late. Oh my gosh. What is this? It's a bag. It's a purse. I forgot about It's so big. I can't take it off. I don't know what is inside this purse. I know what's this.
That's not a chocolate.
Oh.
I think it's a raisin. You show it.
I don't know what is this, but I still love this. I'm gonna try it later, and I'm gonna show you how it tastes. And here's a hairband. Wow, it changed colors. I think this is the color of the hairband, which is rainbow. And also, I had this brown necklace. Oh, and also this pants. Here it is. It's color blue, like my pants for the look like the pants for the grown-ups. I really love it, and it got a pocket to put some things in it. And this is a really pretty leggings. Look at guys, and also the stars are so glittery. I really love this one. I really love this. Now let's open this one. Let's use my scissors. So I don't know how to open it when. Oh no! Okay, let's just use this. Oh no, maybe here because the box is there. I'm just gonna use this. It's so fun to cut this, but it's so hard. Here it is. What is this? Wow. This is, I don't know. I don't know what is this. It
Candies. I know that's a vitamin.
Oh, this is a vitamin.
You show it?
Here it is, guys. It's a vitamin. I think
You show the box.
Here's the box. It's fruits. It's fruits. I really love this. Maybe it's so yummy. I think this is so fruity because I really love fruits. Like orange. Now, next one. I don't know what's this. I'm gonna fix my hair. And now it's too hard to open it. I'm gonna use my scissors. Okay. Wow! Another fruit vitamins. It's so yummy. Oh, here it is. Let's open the things here. I don't know what to put. Oh, this one. Maybe it's on the tape. I need to open this.
What are those?
These one? I think these are magazine. Guys, I think this is the mud. What is make of fruits and veggies? And make of carrot.
Wala namang tablet.
Yeah. I don't know where's the tablet, but it's gonna be here. I'm gonna check the brown. What?
No more?
Yeah.
Where's the tablet?
I don't know. Not here. Oh my gosh. But it's okay until I have these.
What are these?
Let's wear it.
What are these?
Vitamins. Vitamins. So let me wear this hairband, but I can't take it off. What is this? Is it
That one.
So guys, my Lola Mama gave me this vitamins. I